Good evening, welcome to AnyIndia.com news. In today's update, Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha inaugurated the new SCERT academic building in Agartala and unveiled recent publications. He emphasized improving student outcomes alongside infrastructure development during the ceremony. Let's take a look at the report.
Chief Minister Professor Dr. Manik Saha inaugurated the newly constructed academic building of the State Council of Educational Research and Training, SCERT, in Kumari Tilla, Agartala. The event also featured the unveiling of SCERT's latest publications. The program began with the ceremonial lighting of a divine lamp by the Chief Minister and the Director of SCERT, symbolizing the start of a new chapter in the Council's journey. Dr. Saha was warmly welcomed with flowers and a traditional scarf by the SCERT officials. During his address, Dr. Saha acknowledged the significant strides made in developing educational infrastructure but stressed the importance of improving student performance. He emphasized that while facilities have advanced, the focus must now shift towards enhancing educational outcomes. The Chief Minister urged all stakeholders to work towards raising the standard of education in the state. The highlight of the event was the unveiling of the newly published books by SCERT, which marked a step forward in providing quality educational resources in the state. The ceremony was attended by various officials, students, teachers, and SCERT personnel, reflecting the collective commitment to advancing education in Tripura. The event concluded with optimism for the future of education in the state.
আমি এটা বলছি যে স্টুডেন্টরা স্কুলের মধ্যে যদি পড়াশোনাই করে এত কিছু আমরা করলাম তারপরও স্কুল থেকে যখন বেরিয়ে যায় অনেকে তো আবার দেখা গেল যে 75% যদি তার অ্যাটেন্ডেন্স থাকে তাহলে হয়ে গেল বাকি দিন প্রাইভেট টিউশনের কাছে অর্থাৎ যেতেই হবে স্কুল থেকে যাও বেরিয়ে সাথে সাথে দৌড়লো বাবা মা স্কুটার করে নিয়ে গেল আবার আরেক জায়গায় আরেক টিচারের কাছে এবং কারা পড়াচ্ছে আমাদের গভর্নমেন্টের ডাক্তাররাই পড়াচ্ছে গভর্নমেন্টের টিচাররাই পড়াচ্ছে
Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for updates and don't forget to subscribe our channel by hitting the bottom right logo.